they asked the Steipler Gaon, and he said, Kvod Harav, of course, Gedol Ador is one of the last ones that had Ruach HaKodesh. Ruach HaKodesh, it's really something extraordinary. You guys should have it. So, he had Ruach HaKodesh. Somebody walked into his yeshiva, he'd already start screaming if he already felt if they were Mechalel Shabbat. He didn't see them. He didn't have to see them. Walked into the building, Mechalel Shabbat, he started screaming, get out, hater of Hashem, get out. Ruach HaKodesh. So they asked him, Kvod Harav, how is it that, okay, he studied, everyone knows there's many, many stories about the Steipler Gaon, but your son is Gdol Ador also. I mean, it's not very common. Okay, the big rabbi. Sons are good, but not Gdolei Ador. How'd you do it? What, you have a special power, a special deal? What'd you do what Adam HaRishon gave 70 years of his life? What'd you do? He says, you see your Siddur? You see a Siddur? Yeah, Kvod Harav, I see Siddur. I filled many of those with my tears to make sure I have a son like that. Sometimes the best answer is crying.